Welcome to Forex Villa Pro. It's your boy Peter and I'm excited to bring you another informative video on automated Forex trading using trading algorithm. In this video, we'll be discussing the Pip Collector EA Beginner, a solid trading robot that can help beginner traders potentially generate profits in the Forex market. We'll cover the advantages of using this system, as well as general guidelines for optimizing its performance. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new content like this one. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into it. The Pip Collector EA is a beginner-friendly Forex trading robot that utilizes technical indicators and price action patterns to determine optimal entry and exit points for trades. This straightforward strategy has over 90% accuracy and is designed for easy implementation on the MetaTrader platform, making it an ideal choice for new traders. The Pip Collector EA Beginner is a beginner-friendly Forex trading robot that offers several advantages, including easy installation and user-friendliness. Its simple yet effective strategy based on technical indicators and price action patterns can be customized to suit individual trader preferences. The EA features a built-in stop-loss to limit potential losses, and it works on multiple timeframes, offering flexibility to traders. With proper optimization and risk management, the Pip Collector EA Beginner has the potential to generate consistent profits in the Forex market. However, it's important to keep in mind that like all trading strategies, the EA is not foolproof and requires proper management to be effective. The Pip Collector EA Beginner has 6 adjustable system features that make it unique and easy to use. These features include trade size or lot size, multiple positions, MA close, MA open, PSAR close, and PSAR open. These features are derived from the more optimized version of the Pip Collector Expert Advisor, making the Pip Collector EA Beginner one of the best trading systems on Forex Villa Pro. By having only 6 adjustable features, the system is simple and easy to use, which is ideal for beginner traders. In summary, the Pip Collector EA Beginner is a reliable Forex trading robot that can be used by both novice and experienced traders to automate their trades and potentially earn profits in the Forex market. However, it's important to keep in mind that like all trading strategies, the EA is not 100% foolproof and requires proper optimization and risk management to be effective. As mentioned earlier, the beginner Pip Collector EA has 6 adjustable system features that include trade size or lot size, multiple positions, MA close, MA open, PSAR close, and PSAR open. These features have been derived from the ultimate Pip Collector EA and are designed to offer a simpler version of the more optimized EA. By having only 6 adjustable features, the beginner Pip Collector EA is less complex, making it ideal for beginner traders who are just starting in the Forex market. The trade size or lot size feature allows traders to control the size of their trades, while the multiple positions feature enables traders to open multiple trades at once. The MA close and MA open features are based on moving averages, which are commonly used technical indicators in the Forex market. These features help traders identify potential entry and exit points for their trades. The PSAR close and PSAR open features are based on the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, which is another commonly used technical indicator in the Forex market. These features help traders identify potential reversal points in the market and make informed trading decisions. Overall, the 6 adjustable features of the beginner Pip Collector EA are designed to offer a condensed yet effective version of the ultimate Pip Collector EA, making it easier for beginner traders to navigate and potentially earn profits in the Forex market. The recommended trade size for the beginner Pip Collector EA is 1% of the account balance, which helps to limit risk per trade and preserve the account balance. Having a flexible trade size offers several advantages, including risk management, improved profitability, portfolio diversification, scalability, and increased trading opportunities. By adjusting position sizes based on risk tolerance and market conditions, traders can control their risk and optimize their profits. Flexible trade sizes also allow traders to allocate their capital across multiple trades and markets, maintain consistent risk management, and adapt to changing market conditions. Overall, flexible trade size is an important aspect of effective Forex trading, and the beginner Pip Collector offers just that experience and profitability. Other than the flexible trade size, another system features of the beginner Pip Collector EA is its ability to open multiple positions. The beginner Pip Collector EA system allows for the opening of a flexible number of positions, ranging from 1 to a number selected by the user. Using multiple positions in a trading system like the Pip Collector EA Beginner has several advantages, including increased profit potential, risk management, diversification, flexibility, and the opportunity for scaling. Multiple positions can help traders increase their profits if the market moves in their favor, spread risk across different trades, diversify across different currency pairs or instruments, and adapt to changing market conditions. As a trader's account grows, they can increase the number of positions they open, potentially increasing profits even more. There is no limit to how many positions and trade size the system can open, it is all on the hands of the system user. The beginner Pip Collector EA utilizes built-in day and time filters to control when trades are opened, and it can only trade on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays according to the filters. These filters are not adjustable settings in the beginner Pip Collector EA, unlike the ultimate Pip Collector EA, which can trade 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. By using these filters, the beginner Pip Collector EA allows traders to focus on the days and times when the market is most active and potentially lucrative. In contrast, the ultimate Pip Collector EA offers more flexibility in terms of trading hours, but it requires more advanced trading knowledge to optimize its settings. In summary, the beginner Pip Collector EA's day and time filters provide a simple and beginner-friendly approach to Forex trading, while the ultimate Pip Collector EA offers more advanced features for experienced traders. Having knowledge of the different trading sessions, such as the European session and the New York Stock Exchange session, can be useful in optimizing the settings of the ultimate Pip Collector EA. This is because different trading sessions tend to have unique characteristics in terms of volatility and liquidity, which can affect the performance of trading strategies. For example, the European session tends to be the most active during the first half of the session and can experience significant price movements, while the New York Stock Exchange session tends to be the most volatile during the first and last hours of the session. By taking these factors into account and adjusting the settings of the ultimate Pip Collector EA accordingly, traders can potentially improve the effectiveness of their trading strategy. However, it's important to note that these factors may not have as much an impact on the beginner Pip Collector EA, which uses built-in day and time filters to control when trades are opened. To optimize the performance of the beginner Pip Collector EA, users can follow several general guidelines. These include using a recommended trade size of 1% of the account balance to limit risk, taking advantage of the flexible number of positions feature to spread risk across different trades, using proper risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders and limiting risk per trade to 1 to 10% of the account balance, using the 5 to 15-minute timeframes to ensure accurate and reliable signals, avoiding trading during periods of low volatility or choppy price action, back-testing the system on historical data to evaluate its performance and make necessary adjustments, and regularly monitoring the system to ensure that it's performing as expected and make any necessary adjustments promptly. By following these guidelines, users can optimize the performance of the beginner Pip Collector EA and potentially increase their chances of success in the Forex market. Thanks for watching this video on the beginner Pip Collector EA by Forex Villa Pro. I hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new content such as this one. Remember to follow the general guidelines we discussed to optimize the performance of the beginner Pip Collector EA and potentially increase your chances of success in the Forex market. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.